developed to provide help, financial assistance to its members. When it was created and founded some years back, the idea was to ensure that every member, every participant in MMM gets money easily. In the sense that we discovered that for us to start any form of business or project, it's very, very challenging for another people like me to get money easily. So that's why the system was designed, to ensure that whenever we need anything, whenever we want to achieve anything with money, we're able to get it. So the idea was created some years back, which we are now involved in. The idea is to ensure that we have a community that whenever we need help, we can actually go into and get help. And we are well provided and get 30% growth rate of our money. This idea is the perfect community which is working very, very, very well for us. This community is designed with the sole, how do I put it, with the sole responsibility of ensuring that we participate very well in the mechanism of the system. So we ensure that we teach people on the real concept of this community. Money is something that actually binds all of us together. And I have not seen anywhere where money is something that is not needed by one or two people. So this is the reason why money is the topic. Finance is a very, very important subject we need to talk about in the platform of MMM. So the growth rate, like I said, MMM is the global coordinator of financial aid and donation exchange, where a community of ordinary people providing help our finance, we selflessly helping each other. The institution financial network that connects one who wants to donate money, which is PH, and one who wants to provide help. The strength of MMM has been the fact that we have to have more people who are providing help than those that are getting help. Now, the currency we use in MMM is Marble. Whenever you provide help in a Marble, you've actually acquired what we call Marble. Marble is the internal currency we use in calculating the growth of our money in MMM. So, for example, now let's say you come in with a 10,000 naira provider, and you signify that on your PO, which is a personal office. But that moment, at that particular moment, you've actually acquired the equivalent of that amount you're providing, which is in Marble. So this is Marble that grow from that day one until 30 days. So when you can now allow the 30 days, when you're ready to get off, you can then exchange the Marble for money. So once you click on the get help button, a participant will match with you, pay the exact money you want to get. So this system, to ensure that we grow this community, the idea is to PH, to get help, and then we PH. This will ensure that the system stays healthy. Now, the 30% that we get every month when we provide help is calculated as what? It comes from the number of PH that we have. Now, there is this mathematical thing on the slide that I want to look at. So the mathematical slide is what we say that we have 20 people that started in the community. Now, this 20 people decided to put 2,000 naira into the community, times 20 making 4,000 naira. So in this column, there's a possibility that only 15 of them won't get up at the first time. So the general idea is to ensure that once we have 15% who don't help from the system, the help will be able to be paid to those that want to provide help. So this system continues to run. The idea now is to ensure that we build this community. We invite more people to the community and teach them the real ideology of MMM to ensure that the community runs well. So the other thing that we get to enjoy from MMM is that to build the community, whenever you invite anybody into MMM and that person provides help or person provide help, you get 10% referral bonus of the amount the person gives in providing help. So this is and it does not disturb the 30% growth that money will get at the end of the month. Another benefit you get is if you are providing help starting from 80,000 naira Nigerian naira, you get 30 USD for registration bonus as a newcomer. So subsequently, you will not get a registration bonus. But if you are providing help of 180,000 naira above, then you get 50 USD as registration bonus. Another benefit you enjoy in MMM is the benefit of becoming a manager, a career enabler. You can become a career enabler